Guys, we ran that double broiler for a while. We've got the wax and everything all separated down. Now we're just going to pour it here into this strainer. The straining stuff that we're using is just some cheesecloth. I've got it doubled over. I have a rubber band at the top so that it won't go all the way to the bottom. And we should be good to go. I had to turn the broiler down quite a bit until it was almost off in order to keep the thing rolling. I may have to do this in a couple batches depending on how full this thing gets. Actually, it looks like it's going to take it all, so that's good. So now, we're just going to bring this up, let all that drain underneath it. The pan I've got the cheesecloth around has a bunch of holes in the bottom of it, so it's actually a strainer. I decided to use a strainer and a strainer, if you will, to make it a little easier because it fit in this pan actually. And there you go. Now I've got all that liquid gold. Now that is honey and beeswax all mixed together. So now we're just going to let that harden up and then we'll see what it looks like.